Welcome back to Money Channel. I'm your host, Erin, and today I'm going to talk about one real estate platform called Stake. So, Stake is a website where you can invest in properties in UAE and Saudi Arabia. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. You must do your own due diligence. With that said, let's dive into it. Okay, so this is what my portfolio looks like on Stake. Please keep in mind this currency is AED, which is the UAE dirham. So 425 UAE dirhams is actually 115 US dollars. Okay, so I actually had more invested, but they exited out the positions. So here is the monthly income, which is 0.74 dirhams. And then this is the rental income, 31.25 dirhams. And then total appreciation is 2.98 dirhams. Again, we're talking about UAE currency. Now we have quick insights, number of properties 2, occupancy rate 100%, annual rental yield 4.46%, and then annual investment limit. And then they have limits here, which is 367,000 AED or $99,000. Okay. So actually, so sorry guys, my portfolio is 425 US dollars, which is 1,573 AED. I'm so sorry. So I did not look closely. I'm just used to the fact that this is in AED, dirham currency. So my mind is already thinking like nothing's in US dollars, but it literally says right here, my portfolio value is 425 US dollars, which is equal to 1,573 AED or UAE dirhams. Okay, so like I said, I had some properties here, but it got exited. Okay, so I had a total of 4 properties. The first one is 1 bed in Marquise Square in Dubai. Investment value is $48.63. It lost a value of 1.58%. Total rental income is $4.61, and then it's currently rented. The next one is 1 bedroom in Bay Central Dubai, which the investment value is $138.77. It appreciated at 2.79%. Rental income is 16.88 US dollars, and it's currently rented right now. These are the 2 exited positions. So Studio in Sky Gardens, DIFC studio, like I said, in Dubai. It was $63.29. It appreciated at 27%, or 27.40%. Rental income was $5.72. It was exited on June 2025. The next one is 2 bed in Marina Residences in Dubai. Total investment value is $152.61. It appreciated at 13.4%. Rental income is $4.05, and it exited September 2024. So, and then we just have like the documents. So the next, if I want to sell these 2, the next exit would be November 3rd, 2025, which says right here. So now what we're going to do is explore a little bit. Okay, guys? So we're just going to click on this current one. Okay, this is what it looks like. So it is like I said, the first one bed in Marquis Square, Business Bay. So if we go and look at the photos, guys, they are actually doing maintenance right now, and I forgot that they were doing maintenance on this website. So this is what it looks like. So now if I scroll down, so they closed it to investments on January 31st, 2023. And then it gives you more information about this. Total rent paid was $44,388. Current valuation is $432,000. Property list price is $4,117 US dollars. Then we have investment calculator. So if you invest 2,700 US dollars, your total rental income would be $975, and it would value like the or appreciate at 810 US dollars. And again, this is projected, so it's giving us projected growth. So initial investment 10,000. It would grow as a projection, so projection growth of 30%, and yield 7.22%. Again, projections. So now we're going to explore the second one. So this is the second one I have. It's one bed in Bay Central Dubai Marina. Oh, sorry guys, I know you want to see the pictures. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is what the property looks like, guys. Okay, so now we're going back. Okay, so now we have here property price is 399,000 US dollars. It closed January 2023. They had 474 investors. Yearly investment return is 10.70%. Funded date January 2023. Current valuation 432,000. Total rent paid 56,284. Then it tells us about the property over here. Then we have a projection growth. So projection or projected investment return of 4,321 US dollars in 5 years. It says that total rental income is 811, value appreciation is 810. Let's say if you have an investment of 2,700. So this is what it looks like, guys. Initial investment is 10,000. Property value growth for 5 years is 30%. Expected annual rental yield is 6.01%. So then it tells us more about the property. So those are my current two active investments as far as real estate in Dubai. So what prompted me to do this is that I used to live in the Middle East, and I wanted to invest in property in the Middle East, okay, specifically in Gulf countries. So I said, okay, and I saw this app um, come up across, I guess, my YouTube many times. I was like, let me investigate this. And then I went to investigate it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. I think personally, this is just my opinion. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I think it could work if you scale up. Okay. So, for example, yes, if you put in, for example, like $4,000 or $2,000, yeah, it can possibly work. But if you put the little bit I put in, which is about $425, then no. So I think in the thousands, like I said, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000, up to 10,000, yes, it's definitely scalable in my opinion. Now we're on their homepage and it shows us current properties that you can actually invest in at the moment. So it tells you that this is capital growth, balanced. It tells you, for example, 5-year total return is 49% for the first one. The second one, they have here as a projected growth or 5-year return of 5.63%. And then projected net yield 5.32%. The third one in Dubai, they have here total 5-year return 49.44%, and projected net yield is 5.30%. And then they have more properties here. And again, they tell you if it's balanced, if it's capital growth, capital growth. So for example, this one says it's a studio in private residences, Dubai Hills. This one is 1 bedroom in Ubora Towers, Business Bay. So let's just click on it, guys, just for curiosity's sake. And this is what it would look like. So to invest in it, guys, it looks like you would start off at 540 US dollars if you wanted to invest. That's the minimum investment from what I'm seeing. It's either the minimum investment or the estimated like what you're allowed to. Okay, maybe you can put it at a lower cost. I'm not sure. I think I did when I first started, but I think that's what they're suggesting. I don't think it's necessary. And then again, projected investment return, property information, and so on and so on. Okay, guys. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on the chat in YouTube. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.